With Father's Day just around the corner, finding the perfect gift for dad can sometimes be a challenge, especially when you're on a budget. But fear not, because we've compiled together a selection of fantastic gifts that are not only thoughtful but also budget-friendly. All these product links are in the description below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Whether your dad is a DIY enthusiast, a tech-savvy individual, or an outdoor adventurer, there's something here for every type of dad. From classic shaving kits to comprehensive toolbox sets, we've got you covered. Picture your dad's delight as he unwraps a sleek shaving kit or discovers a toolbox brimming with all the essential tools for his DIY projects. And for the dad who loves to fire up the grill, consider gifting him a set of high-quality grilling tools that will take his BBQ game to the next level. But the gift ideas don't stop there. Dive into the world of tech gadgets with wireless phone chargers and portable Bluetooth speakers that will surely impress the tech-savvy dad. And for those dads who enjoy spending time by the water, explore our selection of fishing tackle boxes and rod holders that are perfect for a day of angling. All these fantastic finds are budget-friendly and conveniently available on Amazon. So why wait? Show your dad how much you care with a thoughtful gift that won't break the bank. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.